Today, we're diving into the world of e-commerce and a business model that's making waves: dropshipping. But what is dropshipping? You have an online store stocked with trendy phone cases, comfy pet beds, or the latest fitness gadgets. But here's the twist: you hold zero inventory. That's the magic of dropshipping. Here's how it works: you list products on your website. When a customer places an order, you don't pack and ship it yourself. Instead, you forward the order details to your dropshipping supplier. They handle the storage, packaging, and delivery directly to your customer. You simply pocket the profit. So, why choose dropshipping? Low startup costs, no need for a warehouse or bulk inventory purchases, wide product variety, offer a broad selection without upfront investment, scalability, grow your business easily by adding new products on the fly, flexibility, work from anywhere with an internet connection. Ready to launch your dream online store? Here are the steps. Choose a niche, find a category you're passionate about, with products in high demand. Research suppliers, find reliable dropshipping companies that offer the products you want. Build your online store. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce make setting up your store a breeze. Market your store, utilize social media, influencer marketing, and targeted ads to reach your audience. Dropshipping isn't a magic bullet. Here's what to keep in mind. Competition: the online market is crowded. Focus on great customer service and unique product offerings. Profit margins: dropshipping generally has lower margins. Research pricing strategies carefully. Supplier reliability: choose suppliers with a proven track record for quality products and timely deliveries. Dropshipping can be an exciting gateway to e-commerce. Dropshipping allows you to be your own boss and set your own hours. You'll spend less time on logistics and more time on what matters: marketing, branding, and growing your customer base. This flexibility makes dropshipping an attractive option for aspiring entrepreneurs or those seeking a side hustle. With dedication and a strategic approach, you can build a successful online business without the burden of inventory. If you're interested in learning more about dropshipping, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful e-commerce tips. Thanks for watching.